If you are a fan of technological innovations and minimalistic solutions with maximum comfort of use, this video is for you. In today's review, I am going to show you a true revolution among the available reverse osmosis systems, the latest product on our offer, which is Ecoperla Revo. Enjoy watching! The Ecoperla Revo reverse osmosis is an innovative device with numerous features. This system removes almost 100% of contaminants, including bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, microplastics or pesticides, and lets only truly crystalline water. The device takes care of filtration hygiene itself. It also controls water quality and operation of the whole system. Therefore, it is highly convenient in everyday use. Ecoperla Revo is an intelligent system which requires virtually no user attention. It informs about the need to replace cartridges, monitors the leak and operation of the system, and at the same time reacts to any complications. Ecoperla Revo is another product of our brand made from top-quality European components. The filter is enclosed in a minimalist and damage-resistant housing, which does not take up much space thanks to the lack of water storage tank. Extremely durable and leak-proof filter cartridges and osmotic membrane have been made of high-quality tested materials. Ecoperla Revo contains a pre-filter with a precision of 5 microns, which removes mechanical and chemical contaminants, including chlorine and its derivatives, an osmotic membrane with a high efficiency of 600 GPD, which removes the smallest impurities, and an end cartridge with activated carbon, which refines the taste and smell of water. If you want to mineralize water or raise its pH, you can install an additional Ecoperla Elixir revitalizing cartridge. Another component of the Ecoperla Revo is a very quiet pressure pump, which ensures an extremely high water flow rate. In 1 minute, you can get as much as 1.6 liters of clean water. The Ecoperla Revo reverse osmosis is equipped with many solutions for safe operation. A sound signal will inform of possible problems. You will hear it, among others, if there is no pressure during water feeding due to water leakage in the device or when the filter cartridges need to be replaced. Additionally, a device housing is equipped with a LED. Its color will remind you about the need to replace a particular cartridge. Ecoperla Revo is also equipped with intelligent solutions that continuously monitor system operation. If the reverse osmosis is not used for more than 24 hours, the device automatically performs a cartridge flush to ensure the highest hygiene. Revo is also equipped with a water leak sensor. If it detects a leak, access of water to the filter is closed. In this way, our kitchen is protected from flooding. As I have already mentioned, this state-of-the-art reverse osmosis guarantees full control of water quality. The faucet included in the box has a special display which shows the following 2 indicators. A droplet whose color indicates water quality, the indicator is based on TDS conductivity, and a border whose color indicates cartridge wear, thanks to a built-in filtered water meter. And these are not all innovative features of the product. A characteristic feature of Ecoperla Revo is extremely low water reject into the sewage system. In older reverse osmosis systems, even up to 5 liters of wastewater per liter of purified water were rejected. With the Ecoperla Revo, for 2 liters of purified water, there is only 1 liter of reject, so it is a very economical reverse osmosis. Servicing the Ecoperla Revo is very simple and takes just a few moments. Simply twist it, remove a worn-out cartridge or membrane and replace it with a new component. The cartridges are replaced every year and the membrane every 3 years. You can install the Ecoperla Revo reverse osmosis system yourself without facing any problems. The filter can be positioned both vertically and horizontally. All connections are precisely marked on the housing, and in the box you will find all mounting accessories and an installation diagram. As you can see, Ecoperla Revo is a true revolution. We can certainly recommend it to anyone looking for a safe, maximally efficient and almost maintenance-free filter for their kitchen. This unique and intelligent system will allow you to reduce a number of purchased plastic bottles while offering you crystal clear and tasty water from the tap. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any additional questions, write at this email address. See you!